you always try to learn, then the competition will get ahead. We should enjoy success, but we should always strive to be better, strive to innovate.
Welcome everyone to this meet and greet with Viktor Axelsen. We are so excited. This is like a dream for us, or for me and for everyone in Monitor, to be able to do this kind of events together with our customers. A big round of applause. We welcome Mr. Viktor Axelsen.
First of all, I try to get my body, going, get into the rhythm, and of course prepare for the tournament ahead. I arrived a little bit early this time because I have to come and see you guys. Yeah.
Are we ready?
System integration, right? For my body, I always.
Monitor, we work a lot with the sport. Sport is in our culture, you can say. And it's important to make the society more livable, so we believe working with sport is super important.
I remember coming to Malaysia for the first time, it's just a different love for the sport of badminton. Great atmosphere, wonderful people, and I actually really like the country. So it's one of the countries which I enjoy the most coming to, and it's always special, of course, every year. The fan base is growing, and it's just wonderful to be here, and I have many friends here as well. There is no end goal for me. The end goal for me is to try to reach my fullest potential, and if you do that, and you have always that, even though I win and I celebrate and I'm happy, but still I feel like I can get better. So that means I will always be motivated, there will always be the next goal. So it's also a big part of my job to always try to optimize and try to figure out ways how can I get even better.